afternoon, class. Thank you. You can sit down. Right, and the last time we met in our last lesson, I gave you, I think, questions 4 and 5 to complete for homework based on Venn diagrams. And there were questions also on intersection and union. So number 4, where it says draw Venn diagrams to represent the following. I would like 3 people to come and draw the diagrams on the board. Let's have some volunteers, please. Solomon, come and do number 1. Anyone for number 2? Miriam, number 3, phone relay. Okay. Make sure you label yours properly. I think the red marker is, try the red one. Try that one. Oh, okay, it's all right. If it runs out, just push that back. Yeah, there's another one there, that red one. Red one is okay. You can go and use it. Red marker there. You can use it. All right, does the class agree with the 3 answers on the board? Number 1, is it correct? It says the universal set is the set X such that 5 is less than or equal to X, which is less than or equal to 12. So the element, the universal set is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yeah. Okay, X is 6, 7, 9, 10, and 11. X is 6, 7, 9, 10, and 11. That's correct. And Y is the set 6 and 7. It's correct. Why is it wrong? X intersection Y is 6 and 7. Huh? Why is it wrong? this 6 and 7 is x intersection y. It's correct. It doesn't mean that x here is a null set. It's y. Y contains the numbers 6 and 7. So it's correct. The diagram is correct. Number 2. Okay, number 2. The universal set is the set x such that x is between and equal to 3 and 10. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, that's the universal set. A is the set 4, 5, and B is the set 6, 7. There is A intersection B is a null set. So this is correct. Number 2 is correct. Number 3, the universal set is a set of natural numbers between 1 and 9. Between 1 and 9. Does it include 1 and 9? Natural numbers. The universal set is the set of natural numbers between 1 and 9. Huh? Oh, okay. P is P is the set of numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3, 4, 5, and 6. And Q is the set of numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And P intersection Q is 5 and 6. That's correct. Okay, number 5, use set notation to describe the shaded portions of the Venn diagrams that are shown. Okay, I'm going to also ask for volunteers to come and do this on the board. Make sure label your answers correctly as well. For letter A, anyone for letter A? Number 5A? Nobody wants to do letter A. Tamaku, letter A. Letter B, Danielle. Letter C, Rita. And letter D, Dan. Okay, come. Where's the duster? Here is But when you are saying 10 and 11, okay, that's okay. X has 6, 7, 9, 10, and 11, 6, 7, 9, 10, and 11, okay. The universal set is 5. Let me just check this. Okay, letter A. All right, on the board we have the complement of A union B. You're supposed to describe the shaded portion. Is this correct? So what should it be? Just B. Just like that. Okay, next one. B, A intersection B is correct. Letter C, A union B, the complement of A union, the complement of A union B. So removing all the sets for A and B, yes. Letter D, the complement of A intersection B. Is that correct? Or is it okay, the complement of A will include B and the rest of the elements in the universal set. And it includes B. Okay, that's correct. Number 5, letters E, F, and G and H. Letter E, Kyle. Letter F, Siegfried. And letter G, Chutaili. Sorry. I grouped it, so I can't do it at the moment. Is that how she writes it? G. Okay, letter E, just note letter F is supposed to be letter F is supposed to have all of this shaded except this part is not shaded. I didn't realize that I just copied the same one. No. The one I did on the board is supposed to be like this. Only this bit is not shaded. Letter E, it's correct the way it is on the screen. It can't be the same. Okay, so letter E, we've got A union B, correct? Letter F, it's supposed to be like this, so it can't be the universal set. The universal set will include this part as well. Is that what I wrote? Yes. Did I shade this one or I shaded the whole thing? I left this bit out. Okay, that's majority rule. So letter F is the complement of A intersection B. A intersection B, the complement. Okay, if everything is shaded, then it's the universal set. So if you've shaded everything, then it's the universal set. All right, letter G, the complement of B intersection A. The complement of B intersection A, yes. Okay, next thing we are going to do is we'll look at where the three or more sets intersect. Okay, so far we've dealt with intersection and union of only two sets. This time we'll look at more than two sets, which is three or more. Like the example that I've got on the screen there, the region that is shaded with purple lines is A intersection B intersection C. I think that's very clear. You are going to do question 1 and question 2. All right, question 1 says if A is the set 2, 3, 5, 7 and B is 2, 3, 4, 6 and C is 2, 5, 6, 7, list the following sets. Okay, that's question 1, A, B, C, D, E. See if you can complete it quickly. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one means set X contains 6 and 7. Okay, you are given the universal set, which is the numbers 5 through to 12. Then you are given a set X. And then you are given a set Y, which is 6 and 7. It means X is 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. And Y is 6 and 7. I guess that's not wrong. You are also saying that Y is a subset of X, which is correct. Yeah, it's not wrong, it's correct. But I'm just wondering whether it's the correct way to draw it. Because that one specifically means X contains, the universal set contains these numbers and that's how you draw subsets. Like X is a subset of, which is not wrong though. You're saying X is a subset of the universal set and Y is the subset of X, which is correct. Okay, but you also have to draw it in this form. So that's not wrong. It's correct. Yes. I was just telling her that when you are drawing this, you are saying that X is a subset of the universal set and Y is the subset of X, which is not wrong, it's correct. Because when you draw this, you are really saying it's the way, it's how you draw subsets. Remember what we did before, but that's correct also. But when you write, when you draw intersection, you have to draw them like that to show that they intersect. So it's not wrong, it's correct. That one there, this one here. That diagram was given and then you had to write this. So that's why I'm saying it's not wrong, it's correct. It's also correct. Intersection, yeah. Okay, can I just stop you, please? Okay, that's actually not very difficult, but for the case of those students who may be watching, I forgot to give you the example. Okay, which is here. Okay, I'll just explain it, and then you can go and ahead and do question 1. I just forgot that this thing was here. Okay. If A is, this is example question 4 that I asked you to do, so if you can have a look at your answers as well, if they agree with mine. If A is the subset, if the set A is 3, 4, 6, and 8, and set B is 3, 4, 5, and set C is 3, 6, 7, and 8, list the following sets. Okay, here it says A intersection B intersection C in brackets. Okay, if you are smart like many of you are, or maybe all of you, you don't have to do this step by step. You can just have a look at the sets and you will work out which one goes in here. Okay, the first thing that you do is, first of all, you have to find B intersection C, which you can quickly work out from here. B has the numbers 3, 4, 5, and 7. C has the numbers 3, 6, 7, and 8. B intersection C, the set B intersection C would be the set that is common to both. So it will be only 3. Oh, sorry, 3 and 7. So here you would be putting 3 and 7. Okay, then A intersection B intersection C would be, now we are looking at A has the numbers 3, 4, 6, and 7, and B intersection C has the numbers, the set has the numbers 3 and 7. That means the only one that's common to both is 3. So that's why in this set you will have 3. Okay, next one. Now it's the other way around, A intersection B and then intersection C. I'm not going to write this down. I'll see if I can do this without having to do this step by step. Okay, A intersection B, we are looking at set A and set B. The number that's common to both, the number or the numbers that may be common to A and B, that's 3, 4, 6, and 8. This one is 3, 4, 5, and 7. 3 and 4. Okay, so now we are looking at 3 and 4 here, and this one has 3, 6, 7, and 8. The one that's common to both A intersection B and C is also 3. All right, number 3, B intersection A union C. All right, this is number 3. First, we have to find the set A union C. Okay, A union C will be all the numbers in A and all the numbers in C. So it's 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so A has the, or is the set 3, 4, is it A? B. Okay, B has the numbers 3, 4, 5, and 7. Okay, we have to find A, B intersection A union C. All right, which is, we've got 3, 4, 5, and 7, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. The answer will be 3, 4, and 7. Okay, for this one, I think, I'm not sure, I think the answer in, and I've got 5 as well. Where did I get 5 from? Five is not correct. Okay, so this number should not be there. 3, 4, and 7. Next one, B union C has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All these numbers here. And A union B union C will include all of the numbers. So this one is easy, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This one you have to find the set A intersection B first, which is A intersection B is 3 and 4. Correct? Am I right? Okay. B intersection C. B intersection C has numbers 3 and 7. So this is 3 and 7. Okay, A intersection B union B intersection C will be 3, 4, and 7. It's all these numbers. So this is very easy. Okay, you continue. What letter are you up to? C? Okay, we'll correct maybe A, B, and C, and then I'll let you go. Yeah, you can write it. You can draw it like this way. Say that again. No, you put them together as one set because it's asking for one set. And that one should be 3. Which one is this one? Number 1 where? Where did you get this one from? That. Oh, okay, that one. Union, and then you just write equals, and you just write all of them. You don't have to write them separately like this. Then you just type 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and that's it. One set. All right, letter A, Jake, give us your answer. A intersection B intersection C in brackets.
2.
2, correct. B, Vui.
2.
Okay, it's also 2. C, Livingston.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, correct? Letter D, you finish letter D? Lester, give us the answer to letter D.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Geno, letter E.
2, 3, and 6.
2, 3, and
6.
6. A intersection B, union B, intersection C, 2, 3, and 6. Correct? Okay. For homework, you are going to do question 2. That's all, don't worry. The keyword to the pilot teacher is intersection. Please stand. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Boy.
Thank you. You are very smart.